Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Asad Yaqub here. Well guys, these days IELTS speaking test is conducted in two different ways. One is physical speaking test where you go and there is an examiner, and second is remote test which is online. Right? So I'm going to give you some practice for your remote IELTS test. If you follow this video, sometimes you guys complain, I don't have any speaking partner. I want to practice my speaking, but there is nobody. So I'm going to be your speaking partner. Take this video seriously. Lock the door the way you lock the door when you change your clothes. So you don't lock the door? Okay, you should lock the door, okay? So just like that, and then you can enjoy this test. You should have pen and paper handy, because I'm going to show you the cue card and I'll give you 1 minute, and for speaking part 1 I'll give you time to answer the questions, and I'll give you my facial expressions and my non-verbal feedback as well. Okay, so are you ready? If you're not ready, pause this video, arrange all these things, and then continue this video. Right, let's make a start. My name is Asad Yaqub and I am your IELTS speaking examiner. Let's make a start with your IELTS speaking test. Do you work or study? Okay, tell me about your hometown. What is your favorite room in your house? Okay, let's move on. I'm going to ask you some more questions. What kinds of bills do you have to pay? How do you usually pay your bills? In cash or by another method, and why? Have you ever forgotten to pay a bill? If yes, then why? If no, then why not? Is there anything you could do to make your bills cheaper? Why don't some people pay their bills on time? Alright, we'll now move on to IELTS speaking part 2. You will have to talk about topic for 1 to 2 minutes. You have 1 minute to think about what you are going to say. You can make some notes to help you if you wish. So this is your topic and I give you 1 minute for preparation. You will now have to speak on this topic for 1 to 2 minutes. Alright, we now move on to IELTS speaking part 3. Thank you. What kinds of things can children learn to cook? Do you think it is important for children to learn to cook? Do you think young people should learn to cook at home or at school? How enjoyable do you think it would be to work as a professional chef? What skills does a person need to be a great chef? How much influence do celebrity or TV chefs have on what ordinary people cook? that is the end of your IELTS speaking test. Thank you so much. Okay, that's fantastic, guys, right? How was my acting, huh? All right, that was difficult, but anyways, I managed. So you can practice. If you didn't do well, practice the same test again, but do not write your answers. Do not note down the questions beforehand, and I will make more videos so that you could practice. That's all, guys. I also teach IELTS online all over the world and in campus here in Lahore. If you wish to be the part of my online or in-campus IELTS classes, my WhatsApp number is given. You can contact me for that. I also arrange IELTS test booking for you guys. If you are interested, please contact me and I'll book your test in Pakistan. All the best. Take care. Allah Hafiz.